Little kids looked up so high, a giant rainbow kite touched the sky. What's inside? They cheered with glee. The kite danced wild and happily. Its ribbons sparkled red and blue, leaving rainbow trails that grew. The giant kite opened wide, a glowing sky world shined inside. Fluffy cloud bunnies bounced with cheer, waving tiny flags so near. Rainbow birds flew round and round, singing magical whistling sounds. Tiny windmills spun so fast, blowing glitter as they passed. Smiling stars floated low, lighting every cloud below. A giant flying pinwheel twirled, spinning colors around the world. Suddenly crystal balloons took flight, filling the sky with sparkling light. A magical sky whale glided by, painting rainbows across the sky. Then a shining cloud crown appeared, floating softly very near. Inside sparkled a rainbow wind key, shining bright for all to see. The key unlocked a sky gate high, opening a kingdom in the sky. The Rainbow Kite Kingdom laughed with delight, glowing brightly day and night. Everyone danced above the clouds, singing happy songs aloud. TinyTotsVerse says with a cheer. Subscribe for adventures every